So, our lesson for today is going to be about dust. Now, before we get started, are there any questions? Beverly.
Dust, Miss Coronado? Really? What does dust have to do with this?
Beverly, I knew you were going to ask me that. Allow me to explain. This summer, I went to Syria, Virginia with a group of science teachers. There, we met several leading NASA scientists. I learned a lot about dust and how it affects our environment. I learned that those scientists gather data using satellites. The data is analyzed to understand factors that affect our atmosphere. Later that summer, I went to Illinois. There at the museum, I saw an amazing display of dinosaur fossils. I was reminded that scientists make very careful observations, as well as they keep careful records. They almost act like detectives when it comes to understanding our world. I also remembered the NASA scientists' discussion about dinosaurs and dust. Climate change shaped the history of life on our planet. For example, what caused the dinosaurs to go extinct? I really wanted to learn more. Good morning.
Good morning.
Mr. Milton, what made the dinosaurs go
The
extinct?
most accepted belief on why the dinosaurs went extinct was that a meteorite about a mile wide struck the Yucatan Peninsula with such a force that it created a cloud of dust that originally encircled the entire world.
Wow!
And as a result, most of the plants died, all the greenery died. Then, as a result of having no plant life, the plant eaters died. And as a result of having no plant eaters to eat, the meat eaters died. And 75% of all life on this planet went extinct. However, the 25% that remained came back, but it didn't include the dinosaurs.
Wow, that's amazing. Scientists agree that a meteor did in fact hit the Yucatan Peninsula several million years ago. However, evidence indicates that dust, sustained from volcanic activity, triggered a cycle of events that included photosynthesis. This stressed and subsequently killed the dinosaurs. Okay, now, does that make sense? Let's get ready to investigate. Great. These students know that photosynthetic rate contributes to atmospheric CO2 levels, which in turn affects global warming or cooling. So they designed experiments to check photosynthetic rate.
Hey, Miss Coronado, will you shut off the lights?
We know that light affects photosynthesis, but what role does dust play in available light? What about plant pigments? Could dust affect the function of pigments in this process? Now it's your turn to investigate. Can you document the relationship between dust and climate change? Photosynthesis may be a good place to start.